How to add voiceover in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add a voiceover. Once you are in the editing workspace, tap on the voice button, usually found on the right side. A microphone interface will appear on your screen. Before you start recording, you can adjust the input volume and select the microphone source if needed. Now tap the start button and begin speaking to record your voiceover. You will see the timeline moving as the voice is recorded. When you are done, tap stop and your voiceover will automatically be added to the timeline as a separate audio track. You can then trim, move, or adjust the voiceover audio just like any other sound clip. Also, you can tap on the voiceover track to open the audio settings where you can adjust the volume, apply voice effects, or fade in and out as needed. Once you are satisfied with the voiceover, you can preview the entire video to make sure everything sounds just right. Finally, tap the export button to save your project with the voiceover included. Now you know how to easily add a voiceover in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.